In this video, let us take a look at how to download SQL Server Management Studio and install it. Go to google.com and then just type download SQL Server Management Studio in the Google. So and then click on this icon. So you will find the download SQL Server Management Studio listed as a top item in the search list. When you right click on it, it will take you to the Microsoft website. You need to scroll down a little bit. Click on this one, free download for SQL Server Management Studio. It will take for a while to download it. Since I already downloaded it, I can see the file here. Okay, you need to right click on it and click on show in folder. It will show the location where the SQL Server Management Studio.exe file got downloaded. So you need to click on it, double click on this .exe file. It will prompt you for yes or no, which means whether I can go ahead and install SSMS. Yes, go ahead and install SQL Server Management Studio. Look here. So you will find the installation window something like this, and click on install. That's it. It's that much simple installing SQL Server Management Studio. But make sure that after installing the Microsoft SQL Server, you need to install SQL Server Management Studio. Don't install SQL Server Management Studio first. Okay, first install SQL Server and then install SQL Server Management Studio. So now it will show you the for you also, right? It will show you the package progress, overall progress. So after a while, it will show the installation is successful. So you need to restart your window, and then see, in my case it's I have already done it, hence I'm going to cancel this one now. So in your case, don't do cancel. Okay, since I have already installed in my system, I'm going to click on it, this one, cancel. Once you find the message like installation was successful, what you do is you go to the start menu. Just next to the start button, you can see the search here. Here you just type SSMS. You will find Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and just click on it once. It will open the SQL Server Management Studio, but you need to click only once. It will take more time to load or they launch the SQL Server Management Studio. So this is what your SQL Server Management Studio. So by default you will find something like this. Click on connect. It should connect. It should not throw any error. That's it. So in this video learned how to download and install SQL Server Management Studio. In case of any questions or any issues, you just reach out to me.